For the final part, we need to connect from here to the line here. So if I look at the other version, you can see that there's this piece here, so we have to create that. Now this piece here is drawn in the middle of the shape, so we're going to have to create a work plane in order to construct it. So I'm going to go back to part 2, and to create a work plane, you're going to go up here and you're going to choose plane, and you choose offset plane. Now I want to choose the YZ plane because I can see that that goes up and down through the piece, while the other planes you can see don't match up the same way. So once I choose this plane, it's going to ask me where I want it to go. Now I need to make sure that it is centered. And as you can see right now, it's a little bit in. So what I need to do is move it this way. Now since the arrow is going over there, I'm going to do a negative sign in front of it, make sure that it goes the opposite direction than it's pointing. Now I can see that it's lined up in the center, and I'm going to accept that. Now I want to draw my sketch on that, so I'm going to right click on the yellow line and hit new sketch, and now I'm able to draw here. The first thing I want to do is project the geometry, so I'm going to go up here to project geometry, and then I want to project the top line and the bottom line. Okay. Once that's done, I'm going to use my line tool to connect from this point here to this point here, and I also want to connect from here straight down. Okay. Then I'm going to hit finish sketch, and at this point I want to extrude that shape only. Now you can see it automatically extrudes out, but I need it to be centered, so I'm going to choose this direction here and make sure that it is the correct distance. So it's supposed to be 10, which is already set to. I will accept that, and then I am all set with my shape. You can see it now is fully done. Okay. One last thing you can do if you would like is you can come up here and you can change your material to whatever it is that you would like to make this piece out of. And then you must submit this online through Google Classroom.